Hi everyone, I'm Paul and I tell you everything you need to know about the artisanplus planning and inventory solution for coffee roasters. In this video, I will show you how to get a home or professional subscription and point out what the differences actually are. Then we'll find out how to update your stock by quickly adding the purchases of the beans you bought. Let's fire up our web browsers and get started. When you register, you automatically get 1 month for free to try all the features. For me here, this has expired. You can still browse everything, but we can't make any changes. You can easily go to the online shop and either go for another 3 months of free testing or get a professional subscription, for example for a year. If you're a home roaster or roast very little, you can also buy a home subscription. You actually get the same features, but you're limited to roasting 500 kilograms or about 1,000 pounds per year. If you get slightly over that limit and don't want to get Pro yet, there is the option of tripling the amount with the Home Plus add-on. When you're using the online shop, there's one thing you have to pay attention to. Even if you already have registered at artisanplus, you will need to register here again. For your data protection, the service and the shop are 2 separate systems. You can use a different email address to register, but make sure to mention your artisanplus email address here. In case you're based in Europe and you have a value-added tax registration number, make sure to add it here to avoid paying unnecessary taxes. After extending your subscription, it might take up to 24 hours, and then you will see that the account has been extended and you can start working as normal again. As you can see, I currently have 3 coffees defined, but only 1 of them actually in stock. But when I buy some new beans, I can add a purchase here. I choose the beans and the amount I bought, here 4 bags. When I enter the price, I can either give the total price or the price per kilogram. Because these are 130-pound bags and I bought them from a British company, I only know the price per pound. So I can briefly switch to pound here and enter the price accordingly. There will be another video in which I talk about how to switch between the imperial and the metric system for the whole application. You can add other information here that will be saved together with the purchase for your own reference. We can now see here we have this coffee in our stock and in one glance the current amount and cost. But there is so much more we can do on the platform. Stay tuned and look forward to the next videos where I will talk about how to define blends, how to add roasts, and a lot of the other great features of artisanplus.